Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to use the ezDispense. So let's go over how to use the ezDispense. To fill the ezDispense compartments, first pull the ezDispense drawer out far enough to remove the detergent and softener caps. The right side is for liquid detergent, and the left side is for liquid fabric softener. Next, turn the caps counterclockwise to open the detergent and softener dispensers. Then, pour the detergent into the right side up to the max line. And pour the softener into the left side up to the max line. Do not put powdered detergents, powdered bleach, gel detergents, or sheet-type detergents into the ezDispense compartments. After filling the compartments, insert the caps and turn them clockwise until they are tightly closed. Now push the ezDispense drawer back in. Sensors will automatically detect if the drawer is not fully closed and notify you by flashing OPN in the display while sounding an alarm. Just ensure the drawer is inserted all the way, and you are good to start a load. The refill alarm is displayed when you need to refill the relevant compartment. Check the refill alarm before starting a cycle to make sure you don't run out of detergent or softener during a wash. Now that you have filled up the ezDispense compartments, you are all set to start laundry. When the ezDispense function is turned on, the liquid detergent and softener are dispensed in the set quantities at the appropriate time during the cycle. The delicate, sportswear, and tub clean cycles turn the ezDispense function off by default. But if you want to use the detergent and softener in the ezDispense compartments, just press the detergent level or softener level button to turn the ezDispense back on. You can also manually adjust the quantity of detergent and softener dispensed for the current cycle by adjusting the level with the detergent level or softener level button. Most cycles will be set to normal mode, since it is suitable for your average daily laundry. Press the detergent level or softener level button once again to set the ezDispense to more, if you want more detergent or softener added for heavily soiled laundry. It's also a good idea to check the ezDispense level before starting each wash cycle. You can also change the default dispense amount for the ezDispense function. Press the power button to turn on the washer. Press and hold the detergent level or softener level button for 3 seconds. The detergent or softener dispense amount appears in the display. Turn the knob to increase or decrease the amount of detergent or fabric softener. Press and hold the detergent level or softener level button for 3 seconds to save the changes. If you don't want to use the ezDispense, choosing instead to use specialized detergents for delicates like wool or lingerie, use the manual mode setting. First, press the detergent level or softener level button to turn off the ezDispense function and set the washing machine to manual mode. Now in manual dispensing mode, pull the ezDispense drawer out until you can fully access the manual dispensing compartment. Then, pour the liquid or powdered detergent into the manual dispensing compartment. but do not mix liquids and powders. Do not place liquid or powdered detergent packs in the dispenser. If using single-use detergent packs, place the pack in the drum before loading the laundry. Do not place liquid or powdered detergent packs in the dispenser. A compartment for liquid bleach is also available. This compartment holds liquid bleach, which is dispensed automatically at the proper time during the wash cycle. Now push the ezDispense drawer back in and you are all set to wash the load with specialized detergent. And that's it. Now you know how to get the most out of the LG ezDispense system.